Okay guys, I'm going to show you how to let a student show their screen from their device. So let's say that we have a student using an iPad. So I've connected my daughter with her phone. This is why you're seeing double the image here. So the first thing you need to do is say that Riley wants to share a picture of something she's worked on at home. You're going to go to Manage Participants, and then you're going to come over here to the More, and you're going to make her the host. So before you do this with any of your kids, you need to talk to them about digital citizenship, check your camera roll, make sure everything on your camera roll is appropriate, because when it pops up, it's going to show the entire camera roll. So you're going to make host. It's going to ask if you want to change. And now Riley, from her phone, she has the same green button that we have when we want to share, and it says share screen. So she has the option to share her screen, her photos, Google Drive, or a website. So most often it's going to be a photo. And then she can choose a photo. And then when she clicks on it, she can hit done. Okay? So here's the photo that she is sharing. Now what's really cool is she has a couple of options. She has the option, there's a little pencil, and once again, I'll take a screenshot for you. That pencil will allow her to draw on that. She can also use a pen. She can highlight. So if they took a picture of like a worksheet that they didn't understand, they could highlight that for you. They can change their color, and then of course there is an eraser as well. Once Riley is done sharing her screen, you're going to have your student go to participants, click on the person's name, the teacher's name most likely, and you can make them the host. That may be a little bit tricky at first to understand, but that's how you do that. Okay. Now at this point, we still see Riley's photo, so we have to remind her to hit stop sharing.
Which is the same middle button. And there we go.
And then it stops sharing. So now we're back to our original screen. Now the second thing that I want to show you is the whiteboard option. So this is great for math teachers if you want to do a problem with your class. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to share screen, and then you have whiteboard. So from right there, you can click on whiteboard and hit share, and you can literally draw on the screen. You could add a stamp, you can add a text box, and so forth. You can erase it and all that good stuff. Now, the cool thing is that you can also, like if you do a math problem with your kiddos and you do each step, you can also save that image as well, and then maybe later post that on Google Classroom. Okay, good luck.